On this video today, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money with CPA marketing without investing any money and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. You can create a CPA Group account wherever you are in the world. So just search for CPA Group. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you're going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers, they are geo-specific. So what you have to do is that you have to search for a country and then find offers that are allowed in that country so that you can promote them to earn CPA commissions anytime you get a lead. As a school, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a lot of different offers. If you don't want to promote these offers, you can do the research and then find offers that you want to promote. For example, if you have a traffic source in France, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for France. So once you search for France, you can see France. If you click on it, you can see there are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people who live in France. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see this offer right here. The payout is $10.27. That is the amount that you're going to earn if you get people who live in France to take a specific action. There are a lot of different offers. As I scroll down, you can see many of them. Any offer that you want, you can promote it, but you must promote it to people who live in France. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting offers that are allowed in Canada, because I have a traffic source whereby we can get people who live in Canada to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details so that we can get paid. So you have to click right here. Once you click on it, search for Canada so that you can get offers that are allowed in Canada. So search for it. Once you search for Canada, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in Canada. You can see many offers that you can promote. So select any of the offers that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer. Grab your back to school gift card now. The payout is $12.83. That is the amount that you're going to earn per every lead that you get. The requirement is PIN submit, so our potential visitors have to enter a PIN code so that they can stand a chance of winning back to school gift card, and we are going to be paid $12.83. That is the amount that we are going to earn. So what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link and then find a traffic source so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can stand a chance of winning back to school gift card. So what you have to do is that just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link, and you can see this is the image of the offer. There is a warning right here. This offer is only allowed in Canada. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can get paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is worldclassifieds.com. This is a highly quality traffic source that you can use to promote your CPA offers wherever you are in the world. The best part is that you can target any country in the world. You can see right here they have United States, and you can see under the United States, these are the states that you can post your ads for free. There are many of them. When you scroll down, there are many other countries that you can select. As I scroll down, you can see many cities in the United States. You can see under Australia, there are many cities that you can click on to post an ad. You can see a whole lot of them. So any country that you want, you can just sign up for an account so that you can target that country. You can see right here, we have Canada. Under Canada, you can see the provinces and the cities that you can post your ad. As a school, you can see many of them. You can see United Kingdom, India, any country that you want to post an ad to, you can sign up for an account and then post your ad to that country. In this case, our offer is allowed in Canada. So what we have to do is that we have to sign up for an account. Once we sign up for an account, we are going to run an ad and then target it to people who live in Canada. To create an account, you're going to click here, My Accounts. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see Enter your username. Once you enter your username, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on it, you are going to follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts. It is free, you don't need to pay for anything, so follow the steps and then create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad, so that you can post your ad to the platform. So click on it. Once you click on publish your ad, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down so that you can start posting your ad. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select ad type. You have to select your ad type. You can see they have individual, business, others. In this case, we are going to select individual. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom so that you can enter the required details. You can see right here category. You have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. You can see they have a lot of different categories. They have services, items for sale. Just select any category that you want. You can see a lot of different categories. As I scroll, you can see a lot of them. In this case, we want people to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details so that we can get paid. So just scroll down to the button and then select any category that you want. You can see a lot of different categories. Any category that you want, you can click on it and then post the ad. In this case, I'm going to select cell phone, so click on it. Once you select your category, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. You can see continue, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see listing, title and description. You have to write a title for your ad and a description. So just scroll down to the bottom, you can see title and then description. Just write a simple title and a description for your ad. To get a nice title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see a description. You can write some brief information about the offer that you are promoting, inviting people to click on your affiliate link and then win the gift card. In this case, you can see this is my description. Just write some brief information like this. Once you write your information, just paste it here so that people can follow the instruction to win the giveaway. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. So you have to paste your address here, but in this case, we are not going to enter any address, so just leave it. You can see entering address below is optional, so we are not going to enter any address. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see price. You have to enter the price of the offer. Just enter any price that you want. You can see right here. In this case, it is free, so what you have to do is that you have to enter 0.00. Just enter something like this. Once you enter that, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see contact info. Just scroll down to the button, you can see name, email address. Enter your name right here. Once you enter your name, you are going to enter your email address here. In this case, you can see this is my email address, so just enter your email address here. Once you enter that, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see company name optional. We are not going to enter any company name, so just leave it. Just scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see select ad region. You are going to select the country where you want the ad to be shown. So you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see country. You have to select Canada because the offer is allowed in Canada. So scroll down to the button and select Canada. You can see Canada here. Click on it. The offer is allowed in Canada. Once that is done, you can see region, city. If you want to select a region in Canada, you can click on it and then select a region. Once you select the region, you can select the city. But in this case, we are targeting all over Canada, so we are not going to select a region or a city. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see publish a listing. So you have to scroll down. You can see right here, add images. We have to upload images of the offer. To get images of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, put your pointer on the offer image, right click. Once you right click, you're going to select save images. Once you click on that, you're going to click on save. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been saved. Once you save the image, come back and then click on upload image. Just click right here. Once you click on it, you're going to select your image, click on open, and you can see your image is uploading right here. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Once you upload the image, you are going to scroll down. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter my phone number. Once that is done, click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select your ad type. You have to select whether you want to pay for your ad or you want to post it for free. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see they have the basic, which is free. They have standard, which you are required to pay $4.98. The premium, you are required to pay $29.98. Any of them that you can afford, you can select it and then post your ad. In this case, we are going to be using the basic version. So click on it, select it. Once you select it, you can proceed to post your ad. So if you post the ad and then get leads, you can then use the money to buy the standard package so that you can reach a lot of people. Now once you have selected the option that you want, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see related info question 1 website. You have to enter your website URL. So this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. Just scroll down to the bottom, you can see enter your website URL. You have to come back on CPA group and then copy your affiliate link. So click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see related info question 2. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see right here, enter video URL. It is optional. We don't have any video URL, so just skip it and then move to the next step. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see complete this step by pressing the submit button. You have to click right here, submit, so that your ad can be submitted to your website. So click on it, submit. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Your listing has been received. It will be reviewed. Your ad has been submitted to a platform. Now what they have to do is that they have to review it. If there is no illegal content on it, they are going to publish it onto the website and you are going to get free traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money.